If you just switch your cleanser and you switch your cleansing product, you won't have that problem of having dry ends anymore. Today, I'm going to tell you all about this hair cleansing product that could heal your scalp and heal your ends and give you back the healthy, gorgeous, flowy, shiny hair that you have been dreaming about. And it is a controversial product because it doesn't foam. It is 2-in-1. So it's a cleanser and a conditioner and a hair mask all in one. It's going to give you back hair that you never knew you could have. It's going to bring back the life to your hair. That's what I always say. It just brings life back into your hair. I found that no shampoo and conditioner has been able to compete with the quality of the hair that comes out from using this product. I use it on all my clients in the salon, especially because I love to use natural texture. I want people to have their natural waves pop out. When I use it, I just get the most beautiful wavy hair. My hair is blow dried today, but it does make my hair super wavy and it just gives so much volume. You wouldn't think because it is a cream, but this product is amazing. This is New Wash by Hairstory. It is a cream cleanser that doesn't foam and it's a 2-in-1. So you cleanse your hair, condition your hair, and then rinse it out. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. You just let it air dry. You could obviously style it using heat products or dry shampoo, whatever you need, but it is amazing for the hair. It heals the scalp because it's so gentle. Like, this is what I really want to drive home for you guys. Like, it's a very gentle product, and we're going to dive right in about why you should give this product a try. All of the stamps are below if you want to skip to the subject that most interests you. So let's start out by talking about why a cream cleanser is better for your scalp and your hair than a traditional shampoo, which is usually gel, and conditioner. So think of your scalp as an extension of your skin. When your skin is dry, you're going to use a cream cleanser. At least this is what I use. It's a hydrating cream to foam cleanser from CeraVe. Because it is a cream, it's going to hydrate my skin and it's going to be less harsh on my skin barrier. So it's going to hydrate my skin as well as remove makeup, debris, dirt, all those good things that we don't want. When I use a gel cleanser, so this is a gel cleanser that I have been using honestly since I was a teenager, the Neutrogena Acne Oil-Free Acne Face Wash. Whenever I feel like I need a little bit more exfoliation, more salicylic acid, it is meant to strip all of the excess oil and debris that's on your skin. And whenever I switch to a cream, my skin just feels so much more hydrated. So I use this in the winter, and sometimes I alternate. Sometimes I'll just use this all week, and then once a week I will use the Neutrogena to exfoliate. Now when I'm using a gel like this, I'm going to be using something like squalene from The Ordinary to hydrate my skin because my skin gets so dry and tight that I need something that's going to moisturize it. So I need a lot of other products to give me back the moisture that I lost by using the gel. Whereas with the CeraVe, I don't really need much. I need just a very little moisturizer and then I'm good to go. Same thing with your hair and your scalp. Your scalp is an extension of your skin. So if you're having issues with your scalp, you've got dry scalp, you've got itchy scalp, you've got psoriasis, imagine using a gel shampoo on your hair every single time you wash your hair. Like, imagine how irritating that could be for your scalp. Using a cream cleanser like New Wash, whether you use the Rich formula, we're gonna go into formulas in just a minute, Rich formula or the original formula, it's a cream, it's very hydrating, it's got a lot of really good natural ingredients, all natural, it smells amazing, and ultimately it's just a gentle product. It's a gentle product not only for your scalp but also for your ends. Now think about using a gel shampoo or really like a shampoo, like say you're using a volumizing shampoo. Volumizing shampoos are meant to remove all of the oil and debris on your scalp to give your hair that extra oomph at the roots. That's how they work. When we're doing that, we're also stripping the ends. Now the ends don't have a lot of oil, so the shampoo is really just damaging your ends over time the more you use it. We gotta hydrate the ends, and that's why when we get out of the shower, we're using all kinds of serums and extra conditioners, and we're obsessed with using masks because our ends feel so dry. And clients come in and ask me all the time, like, take off the dry ends, take off the dead ends. If you just switch your cleanser and you switch your cleansing product, you won't have that problem of having dry ends anymore, because with a product like New Wash, you're cleansing your scalp and you're also hydrating your ends at the same time. You don't really need to put anything in your hair when you get out of the shower, maybe a little serum, but not as much as you would when you're using a shampoo. I hope this makes sense. It's just the process of how you want to maintain the integrity and the health of your hair. Think of your hair like fabric, like a silk dress. You know, imagine you're bleaching your silk dress and now you're putting it in the washer and the dryer every single time that you cleanse it or you wash it. You're gonna ruin the dress. So it's kind of the same idea. You just gotta really take care of these little fabrics, these little hairs. Otherwise they will break off and you will be left very disappointed. So that is why I love, love, love New Wash. It's just creamy, it's gentle, it's just amazing for the hair. And no matter how many moisturizing ingredients a shampoo and a conditioner and a mask have, you're essentially using a detergent to remove debris and oil from your hair. So at the end of the day, a shampoo is meant to remove oil and debris from the hair. I know a lot of people who shampoo their hair after they work out. You don't need to do that. You're just drying out your skin. You don't really need to do that. So imagine if you're just using a really gentle product that doesn't strip your natural hair color or the natural oils that are going through your hair. They're really, really good for you, and you want to hold on to them because that's what makes your hair healthy. And also, it just skips all of the steps, all of the styling steps. Like instead of doing a shampoo and then a conditioner and a mask and a bunch of styling products and leave-in treatments, all you need is this one product and maybe a little bit of oil or serum, and you're good to go. My styling goes down like to almost zero after I come out of the shower when I use New Wash. Like I just cleanse my hair, get out, let it air dry. Sometimes I blow dry it, and that's it. It's just so soft on the ends. I don't need to put anything in it. Now let's talk about who it is good for. Like, why would you use something like this? Besides what we've already talked about, having it lock in color. If you're having issues with color that's fading, fades fast, maybe your hair is really porous and the color just doesn't stick very often, maybe your hairstylist keeps telling you to come back for toners, New Wash is a really, really good product for you because it locks in the moisture. Again, it's not removing all of that color from the hair, it's locking it in. At the end of the day, we want that moisture to lock in color pigment into the hair. It's amazing for people who have psoriasis. I used to have really dry, itchy, flaky scalp, and every time I use New Wash, it goes away. I started using it with the silicone brush because that really does exfoliate your scalp in the shower, and that removes all of the dead skin and it heals the scalp. So my dry scalp went away, my ends were much better, and my hair finally grew, because if you don't let your hair heal, it's not gonna grow. At the end of the day, if your hair is splitting on the ends, it's really dry and it's splitting, you're just gonna have to keep cutting it, and then your hair is not gonna grow to the length that you want it. So this is just like the holy grail of good hair. I use it on my curly hair clients all the time, and it is so amazing for curls, and it's so amazing if you want to wear your hair naturally. If you have fine wavy hair like myself, and you are wondering, how do I bring out my waves when my hair is so fine and product weighs down your hair? So styling products are weighing down your hair, sea salt spray is weighing down your hair. Maybe you're using dry shampoo and you don't like the feel of that, because I know as a fine hair girly, product really, really annoys me. And so honestly, the only thing I use is usually just a serum, just kind of like a really nice oil on the ends on damp hair, and then I just blow it out. But if you want to bring out the waves with New Wash, you don't even need to do anything. You just wash your hair with it, let it air dry, and you might have to use some type of a sea salt spray when you come out of the shower on damp hair so it doesn't get crunchy, and then let it diffuse or air dry. Just twirl the hairs and the hair will just come alive and the curls will just pop, they'll just come out. Now let's talk about the types of New Wash that we have. We've got a rich formula, deep formula, and we've also got the original formula. My favorite is the original. It works for everybody. If you have hair like mine that's fine and soft, the original is great. If you don't have any major issues with your hair like dryness, you can stick to the original formula. If you have dry hair, you want to do rich. And the way to know if you have dry hair is just to run your fingers through your hair from here down. If your hair feels really dry, up here everyone's hair is soft because this is all new hair. So if this feels soft and you suddenly feel dryness over here, you might be feeling like a little bit like, oh, it feels a little crispy, it's dead. Get the rich formula. That is a really good one for you. A lot of people have coarse hair, like really coily, coarse hair. The rich works really, really well. I don't want to say curly because you could have curly fine hair that's also very fluffy. Get the original if you have soft, fine, curly hair. It's not so much about the texture of the hair as much as it is about whether your hair is dry or not so dry. My hair is dry on the ends, but I still use the original. I think the rich would be a little bit too heavy for my hair just because it's so soft and I want to keep the volume in my hair. Original when in doubt. Now the deep, I'm not a huge fan of. I really love the deep in the beginning and I did make a video about it, but I did notice that it didn't fluff up my hair the same way as the original. This is a big question that I get all the time. Do I still maintain the volume since it's a cream? Is it gonna weigh my hair down? And the answer is no. It does not weigh your hair down. It actually gives you really, really nice volume. And I love the way the hair feels in day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Like it just feels so good over time. And I've noticed that when you use New Wash, it gives you that kind of like second day hair. You know when you use shampoo and your hair is really frizzy, really hard to tame, and that's why we go to use so many products and try to tame it, and we're like, oh, you know, and nothing's working. But day 2, your hair looks great. Day 3, you're like, oh, oh, why does my hair look so much better day 2 or day 3? I needed that good hair on day 1. That's why New Wash works, because it gives you day 2, day 3 hair on day 1. Right after you get out of the shower, you don't have to touch your hair. Like, it's honestly amazing. So the ease of styling is such a big bonus for someone like me who's a very lazy minimal gal. Yes, I'm a professional hairstylist, but I don't like to style my hair. I like to put my hair up in a bun. It's long, it's hot, it's summer. It's great for dry hair, it's great for curly hair, it's great for sensitive scalp, it's great for damaged hair, and it's great for colored hair. If you have colored hair and you want to maintain the color in your hair, please try this product. So that's it for this video. I didn't want to go too much in depth and overwhelm you with too much information. I hope it answers a lot of your questions. If you've been looking at getting New Wash, you will get 15% off your first purchase off of New Wash when you use my link. Let me know if you have any questions below. I am more than happy to help you. This is a product that's absolutely changed my life, and I hope it will change yours as well. Stay tuned for more videos, and make sure you subscribe and leave all your thumbs up below. You know what to do. Okay, bye.